Pas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw Builders, mga ghost projects, para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability anymore, Your Honor, because I think if these were ghost projects in the first place, they would not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if this is record, if there is no project at all that implemented on,
Tapos na, nasunog na yung pera natin.
that's actually
Alright, magkano ang in-award dito sa mga, sa Wawaw? Wawaw Builders.
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly
No. Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag niyo ako lulukoy dito.
Si Wawaw Builders, number 12 siya sa top 15 contractors under BBM administration sa flood control.
Pas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw Builders, mga ghost projects.
Naku, kay Senator Jinggoy ka pa, magaling siya sa ganitong investigasyon. Sabihin mo na lang ang totoo, Secretary. Kung ano yung mga kinalaman mo, banggitin mo na lang yung mga pangalan ng mga kongresista or kontraktor. Pang number 12 si Wawaw Builders, Secretary, sa top 15 contractors para madaling mahanap.
Wow Builders, the number of projects, the total projects, total cost of the projects that have been implemented is 9 billion.
9 million or 9 billion?
9 billion all over the country, Mr. Chair. But let me just point out, in Bulacan alone, Wawaw Builders had 85 projects amounting to 5,971,811,000.
In Bulacan alone. What about the three municipalities that I mentioned? Kalumpit, Hagonoy, and Malolos.
This is for Bulacan First Engineering District Office, Your Honor.
Ito bang, I'm not familiar, no? Ito bang Kalumpit, Malolos, Hagonoy falls under the first
Yes, Your Honor.
district? Ah?
Yes.
Alright. So magkano? So, wow.
5,971,811,000.
In Bulacan alone.
In Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
So yung 5 billion na in-award sa Wawaw Builders para sa province Bulacan
First
are
Engineering.
all ghost projects. Correct?
Secretary, for the record, the total is 9 billion.
That is nationwide.
Nationwide, Your Honor.
Pero
Pero
lahat
5
yun,
billion
ghost
na
projects.
Your Honor. So,
Ghost projects lahat.
no po.
So ang ghost project lang na sinasabi mo, sa Bulacan lang.
There seems to be some ghost projects actually as reported, Your Honor.
Are you investigating this right
Yes,
now?
Your Honor. We're investigating it.
What is the status of your investigation?
They will be coming up with their financial and physical report in 1 week's time, Your Honor, to my office.
Mr. Chairman, with the permission of Senator Jingo Estrada,
Yes.
it's connected to his question.
Yes, Senator Soto, please. You are an executive
How did Wawaw
extradition
Builders,
official. Right?
how did Wawaw Builders get that 5.9 billion in those three municipalities in Bulacan? How did they get that? Who inserted that into the budget of DPWH?
Let me just clarify a little bit, Mr. Chairman. The amount that I have mentioned is actually for 4 years, up to fiscal year 2025. It started in 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025, Your Honor.
Let's clear that, Mr. Secretary. The 9-point-something billion is for 4 years?
5.9 for Wawaw, Your Honor.
No, the total for 4 years is 9-something billion.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the 5-something billion ghost project is in Bulacan alone.
Not totally ghost project, Your Honor. I'm not saying it's not totally ghost project, but the total amount of project that 85 projects that he has implemented amounts to 5,971,000,000.
Hindi nyo identify.
2025, Your Honor, he has 5 projects in that engineering district amounting to 435,710,913.
Plus million for that particular area na
5 projects, Your
being suspected as ghost project.
Honor. And some of them, Your Honor.
Some of them, okay.
Kung ganun na inamin ng DPWH na mayroong ghost projects dyan sa flood control, pwede malaman from COA paano ito nakalusot? Anong papel ng COA dito sa ghost projects na ito? Bakit hindi ito nyo nakita? Pwede malaman, Mr. Chair?
Good morning po, Mr. Chair and Your Honor. Based po sa aming mga reports na nakuha po from our regional and district engineering offices, ongoing pa lang po yung kanilang pag-collate ng mga observations, sir. Actually, sir, may mga observations naman po pero hindi ko po mako-conclude na pertaining po ito doon sa mga ghost projects. Marami naman po kasing observation ng mga auditors natin, sir, kasi marami din pong types of audit ang kinakandak ng mga auditors natin regularly, sir. May compliance.
Yes, I
sir.
mean for this particular projects na kinlaim, inamin ng DPWH na talagang ghost projects ito.
Yes,
Pwede
sir.
nyo tutukan ito and can we have results
Yes,
in the next hearing na
Yes.
ikakandak natin?
Opo, sir. Actually, sir, meron na po tayong office order from our chairman, particularly para sa fraud audit po ng Bulacan, sir.
Thank you for that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair. Tayo, next hearing, ha?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, related to kay isang tanong lang. Parang tinitipid mo ata ko, Mr. Chair. Dalawa. Kasi nabanggit nga dito kanina na may mga ghost projects, na may mga projects na nagbigay sa mga kontraktor na kaduda-duda for the longest time. Ang tanong ko sa DPWH, kasi sa ngayon, nag-research kami sa 103 na blacklisted mga contractors. Isa lang dito ang blacklist ng DPWH sa flood control. Isa lang. Bakit isa lang? Eh kung inaamin naman ng DPWH, pinag-usapan natin dito for the longest time, marami mga anomalya, katiwalian sa flood control at mga contractor na gumagawa ng close projects. Bakit isa lang ang na-flag down on a blacklist?
Your Honor, I think unfortunately validated in the field. These are now being validated in the field. So, pagka wala naman pong derogatory information that will come out in the bidding process for these contractors, they could be allowed actually to participate. Wala naman po kaming basis actually.
Okay, magbibigay ako ng reason kung bakit isa lang na blacklist sa dinami-dami mga kalokohan. Kasi karamihan sa mga empleyado sa DPWH ay mga contractor mismo. So sila ang gumagawa ng mga proyekto ng mga ghost projects. So hindi nila ipa-blacklist sarili nila. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Mr. Chair. Mr. Secretary. Doon sa 5-point-something billion, most of these are ghost projects, as you have admitted already.
I cannot say that most of it at this point in time, Your Honor. But I think in this 5.9 billion pesos that is nandyan sa Wawaw Builders, there could be some.
Kasi sa Bulacan muna yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Yes, Your Honor.
So some of these projects are ghost projects.
Could be, Your Honor.
So that's convenient already. Some of these projects in Bulacan are ghost projects.
Mr. Chairman.
What happens with the performance bond? What do you do with the performance bond? Each project has a performance bond. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Aren't you supposed to confiscate the performance bond?
Well, if the project has been elapsed actually for its warranty, Your Honor.
Hindi, as admitted, some of these projects are ghost projects.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have to run after the performance bond. Yung insurance company, kailangan habulin natin.
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
What will you do?
Well, as soon as we are able to file all the necessary
How much does it take? The insurance company, as